Mablo na magondzo swi khukhuriwile na ku khubumetiwa hi mati.
Vana va rona va tsena sekolo ka kwa and dikolo di ka mo setting.
Our kids attend school on the other side of the river. They use this bridge. Even transport is on the other side. This has impacted us negatively.
And so we
urge government to fix this bridge urgently. This is an emergency.
Varhangeri va vula leswaku va ta nghenelela ku pfuna hi xihatla.
If people can't access schools, they can't access shops, they can't access health facilities, it's a clear sign of a high risk that we must mitigate against. We have brought here the Provincial Disaster Management team so that together we can do an assessment. We will be meeting now to coordinate our immediate interventions.
Xipano xo hlawuleka xa mfumo va vula leswaku va ta khila va languta eka xivangelo xa ku hikokwalaho ka yini mabuloho ya ri eka xiyimo xo biha.
What I saw in Maretsani, the road is new, but the bridge remains very old. I would want to go back and look at the specification there. My suspicion tells me that you can't construct such a new road and ignore an old and dilapidated bridge. When you look at the quality of the road, it's not that bad, but the quality of the bridge does not correlate with the quality of the road.
Vaaki va kongetele mfumo ku hakisa va lunghisa mabuloho na magondzo lama nga onheka.